Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, and I am making magic pie today. I'm so excited. What's supposed to happen with this magic pie is you put all the ingredients into a pie plate, and it separates into layers. So when you take it out of the oven, all of a sudden you have a crust, and you have a middle part, and you have a top beautiful golden layer. Let's get started. First, we're going to grease the bottom of a pie pan with butter. Take 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to melt this in the microwave just to soften it up a bit, but you don't have to. We're going to add 4 eggs into a blender. Now add 2 cups of milk. You can also use skim milk, or you can use half and half if you'd like. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. Now add 1/2 cup of flour. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. You're placing all this in a blender. I'm just using my handy dandy Ninja and blend this up. All right, sorry, I forgot my butter. Okay. Now, blend everything together. Come on, work. Oh, it's not plugged in. Let this blend for a little bit. Now pour your batter into your pie plate. And this is optional. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of nutmeg on the top of our soon-to-be magic pie. Now we're going to take our magic pie and we're going to put it into a 350-degree oven and bake it for 45 minutes. Oh, I can't wait to see how this turns out. It's been 45 minutes and our pie is finished. Look how beautiful this looks. Okay, I've let the pie sit for about 45 minutes. It's still a little bit warm, but I'm going to cut a little slice just so we can see what it looks like. You ready? Our magic pie. Look at that. It looks just like flan. And there is a crust. There's a little crust. Ready? That is decadent. I'm so excited with how this turned out, and it was incredibly easy. There you have it. Everybody have a great Sunday, and I'll probably be back for another video a little bit later. Bye. This is delicious. It's like a pudding pie. All right, I'll let you guys go. Or for what?